Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Franklin, and we are going to be looking at three different functions today. In our series, we'll be looking at the basic functions in Microsoft Excel, and so far we've already seen the sum function. So today we'll be looking at the product function, the average function, and also the quotient function. Just as the name implies, starting with the product function, of course. The name of the product function is used to do multiplication, as it were. Alright, I hope you remember to introduce a function. You start with the equal sign. So let's start. Of course, the equal sign. You type the product. You don't have to type it in full. It gives you options. You pick the first one. Remember to open the function with the tab key. It's already giving you the things to supply. That's the syntax. Number one is we have number one. You can pick any number, and of course you use comma to separate it, and then pick the next. Use comma to separate. Pick as many as you want. So let's just get the product of the last three numbers in this value 1 colon. You close the function and then hit the enter key. It gives you the answer. It's as simple as that. Okay, I think it's clear enough. You can also do it manually instead of using the function itself, but that's when you are getting the product of two different numbers only. So what do? You put your equal sign, you pick the first number, then you manually type the multiplication key, which is shift and then figure 8, shift 8, and then you pick the second number and then enter. It equally gives you the answer. I hope that settles it. If you have a question, please, your comment section is waiting for you to ask your questions. Let's look at the next function, which is the average function. And of course, the average function is used to get the average of a set of numbers. It's used to get the average of a set of numbers. So let's go right ahead and get this one. Let's also use the value 1 colon. As we already stated, you start with the equal symbol. You type out the function average. You select using the tab key. You can choose to click, use your Ctrl Shift downward arrow to move to the last cell, Ctrl Shift downward arrow, and then enter. It gives you the average. Of course, you can choose to fill out. Okay. Alright, I think that settles it. Let's look at the next function, which is the quotient function. Alright, and it's used to get division. It's used for division. So let's get this done with quickly. Your equal sign, you type in quotient. It gives you the syntax, which is the numerator and the denominator. So you can pick this, use comma to separate, and then pick let's say this, and then you close the bracket and hit the enter key. It equally gives you the answer. So I think we've been able to do justice to these three functions: the product function, the average function, and also the quotient function. We will call it a day today at this point. And remember to hit us up on the comment section if you have any question, observation, and whatever you may want to tell us. We'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned as we bring you more videos. Thank you.